Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw money from crypto. First, open your crypto. app and head to the Accounts tab. From there, select your crypto wallet. You'll then choose the cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Make sure to select the Sell option and convert your crypto into your desired fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros. This step is essential before you can transfer funds to your bank account. Next, you'll need to link your bank account. Go to your fiat wallet in the crypto app. Look for the Transfer option, then select Deposit and choose Cash. You'll see an option to Add Bank Account. Follow the secure prompts to connect your bank using your online banking login. This ensures your funds can be safely transferred to your personal account. Once your fiat wallet is funded and your bank account is linked, you can initiate a withdrawal. In your fiat wallet, tap Transfer and then select Withdraw. Choose your linked bank account and enter the exact amount you want to transfer. Always take a moment to carefully review all the transaction details, including the amount and the destination account, before you confirm your withdrawal request. After confirming, your withdrawal request will be processed. Typically, funds arrive in your bank account within 1 to 5 business days, though this can vary. It's good to know that crypto.com generally does not charge fees for these withdrawals, but your individual bank might have its own processing fees, so it's wise to check with them. For more financial insights, be sure to check the description below for a link to a highly recommended book and other helpful deals. We hope this guide makes your withdrawal process smooth and easy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.